Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light bulb in a Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new dryer light bulb. The light bulb is located inside the dryer on the rear bulkhead. It illuminates the drum when the door is open. If that doesn't happen, check and replace the light bulb if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. So here we see this cover lens that hides our light bulb. I'm going to use the 1/4-inch nut dryer. Going to take out the screw so we can remove the lens. And lift up and take out the lens. Alright, so we have this light bulb exposed, and we're going to reach in and unscrew it, turning it counterclockwise. This is the old dryer light bulb next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so the new light bulb goes in. We're going to screw it in and I'm going to turn it clockwise this time. Alright, so I'm going to install the lens. We have a tab on the top of the lens and we have a slot there on the top of the cutout. So I'm going to interlock it. And now we're going to secure it with the 1/4-inch screw. And now when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.